This video is going to cover the installation for a Starlink Mini mount to your third brake light on a Ford F-150 from 2009 to 2014. To do the install, you're going to need the mount. And then for this, we have the kickstand on the mount. If you want something metal up here rather than plastic, we do have a metal version that you can add when you purchase the mount. We're also going to be running the power cord through the rear slider of the truck into a cigarette port in the back seat. You don't have to do that. You can hardwire this through the brake light, but for this customer, they want to be able to take the dish off and move it around pretty easily, so they want kind of a temporary wiring. In order to do that, we're going to use our window pass-through. It's a small section that goes over the rear slider and has a pass-through for the cord, and then seals moisture and dirt from going inside the vehicle. So to do this, all we really need is a Phillips head screwdriver and the mount, and we'll get into showing you the steps to put this on the truck. Okay, the first step is to unscrew your third brake light. On this truck, it is just a Phillips head. Then you want to disconnect the lights by twisting and removing them. Okay, we're going to clean the roof where the magnets are going to make contact with the surface. We want to make sure it's clean. And then this step is not necessary, but it'll help if you can. Just put a piece of cardboard up there and it keeps the magnets from sticking to the metal before you have the mount aligned. So what you're going to do is take the mount and you're just going to pass all of your electrical through it. And you want to line up these screw holes with the center holes here. And you can see the cardboard is keeping the magnets from sticking, so if I need to make adjustments on here, you can. Then you're going to reattach your lighting. Okay, we've reconnected all of our wiring, and we're just going to go ahead and put the third brake light back in place, making sure that the screws line up with the holes in the truck body, and then reattach the screws. Okay, for the wiring, you can run your wiring if you're gonna hardwire this to the truck behind here and go up through the bottom and go into the third brake light and below your headliner if you want permanent wiring. This customer wants something that they can remove, so we have our window pass-through. We've already measured it and cut it to the length that we need here for the window, because it comes in a 36-inch length. So what we want to do is we want to run this cord underneath and up through this rubber grommet and leave enough that we can connect into the dish. And the rest of it is just going to kind of sit here behind the light. Then we go ahead and insert the cord into our window pass-through, and the hard edge goes over the window here. Then when we close this window, it's going to create a seal, not allowing moisture or dust to go in the cab. You don't want to close the window all the way. You just want to get it to where it compresses this rubber gasket here. Now it's ready to go. You can simply take your dish, plug in your power cable, and then you can just clean up your cord. You want to zip tie it on here or move it out of the way, but that's it. Now you're powered and mounted and ready to go.